doing don't choose the wrong dish soap. Some of these have real dish soap, but some of these have slime or glue.
That's right, guys. So today we're playing Don't Choose the Wrong Dish Soap. Okay, so we have all of these different colors. In some of these, there's glue. In some of these, there's dish soap. You never know what you're going to get. Okay, Team Puppycorn, pick a number.
I'm mixing them up.
Okay, do you have, how many numbers do you have? You have one, okay.
It's 13.
Okay, so Ellie has 13. Let's find her magic. Oh, it's right here in the front. She has this beautiful purple lavender. She's gonna pour it into her container, and let's see, guys, you let us know if you think it's dish soap or glue.
If it's dish soap, then this one's definitely dish soap. Oh no. Glue.
It's glue? All right, so Ellie got glue. You can take the top off and pour it in.
It's dish soap! No!
Is it dish soap or glue?
I think it's glue, yeah. I think
It's glue. It's glue. All right.
glue.
So, well, you want to open the top and pour it in?
Yeah, I'm gonna actually smell.
All right, Naiah, it's your turn to choose. And Ellie has a
smell.
beautiful purple glue. All right, Team Kitty Corn, let's see what you get. All right, so Naiah, what is yours?
1.
You have a 1, and I think one is.
Usually I'll get orange.
Oh, so Naiah has this blue. I wonder if it's going to be dish soap or glue. Here we
All
go.
we have to do is put water in it, and then we know if it's dish soap.
It's dish soap? Oh, dude.
But it's pretty though. This is the
Okay, so Ellie, it's your turn.
This is the color I wanted actually. Very fun.
What do you have,
8.
Ellie? 8. Oh, here is your 8.
Oh.
So Ellie has this green bottle of dish soap. There's an 8 on there.
It's dish soap because then
Ellie, I hope it's glue for your sake.
dish soap.
It's dish soap.
Wait, why is yellow? Wait, I thought it was gonna be yellow. Okay. Yeah, that looks green.
Yeah, that's definitely dish soap. Okay, Naiah, here's your turn.
Look at all the bubbles though.
Whoa, it's actually pretty.
Please be a lucky number. All I have is dish soap. You can mix that with this.
What is
5.
it? 5. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Here is number 5, and I wonder if she has dish soap or glue. You guys leave a comment. What do you think she has, and who do you think will reign supreme? It's dish soap.
All I have is the bubbles. We both have this in our Monday. There we go, Molly. Mine looks like a beautiful art. Once again, guys, look, it looks like a tablet or an iPad. I can't make glue with Look at the beautiful iPad I have.
All
Oh,
right.
it smells like I like a drink. 2.
You have 2. So let's see. That's 3. Oh, Ellie has this gorgeous purple. Ellie, you love purple.
Yeah, all she
Here you
she
go.
gets purple.
She loves purple. Purple is her color. Oh no, that's dish soap, Ellie. That's dish soap.
Well, you're lucky.
Yeah, that's definitely dish
You are
soap.
lucky because all I have is dish soap.
You tried to trick us, Ellie.
Mismatch. 9.
All right. Okay, so Naiah, you have this beautiful green. Will you have glue
If it's dish soap.
or will you have dish soap?
I completely lost it. I don't even have glue. You can't even tell it's glue.
Are you have all dish soap right now?
Yeah. Don't make fun of me.
Is it glue or dish soap?
It's dish soap.
And guys, if you don't know, we have merch. Right now, we'll put it up on the screen. You can go to Teespring, the Cray Cray family, which is also Naiah and Elli family, and get our merch. We have t-shirts and pillows. You can collect them. We'll be wearing them all this week while we're at Disney World.
Yeah.
Oh, what is that on your nose? How did you get it on your nose? Okay.
Guys, you know.
Here is Ellie's 6. It is yellow. So do you have glue or dish soap?
Glue.
That is dish soap, my dear, and it smells amazing. But you have dish soap. No, that's dish soap. Look at those bubbles coming out. That is
Mine's
soap.
pretty.
That is soap, dear.
7.
You have 7. Oh, you have a yellow one as well, Naiah. I wonder if you have glue or dish soap. Did mommy play a trick and do a double dish soap? So Naiah has glue.
Doesn't mean knives look appetizing. Thank you. I don't know what appetizing means.
Okay, so Elli has a 10. And I wonder if she has dish soap?
A glue.
Let's see. Now you finally got a glue after like 15 tries.
It's
Let me see. What is it?
No, it's glue.
It's not glue. That's
Taste it.
taste it. That's dish soap, Elli. It's dish soap. That's the thing that's hard about this. You can't really tell the difference
There's
between
so
glue
much
and dish
dish
soap.
soap. Why is there so much dish soap?
It looks the same as glue. That's what makes it hard. You got 14? All right. Whoa. So this is Naiah's number here.
If I get
Oh, that's pretty. That color, Elli. I'm loving the colors of the clear
It
slime
looks like a
challenges.
sunset.
come on, go.
It's glue?
Yeah.
Feel
Yay!
it.
Nice.
Feel it. Wait, why does it look exactly like my yellow?
Feel it, mommy.
You gotta
Feel
open
it.
the top.
And she's flying.
Let me see. Let me see. All right, I'm gonna double check. Yeah, it's glue. You can smell the glue inside. Yeah,
Mine
I
looks
know
like
this.
a rainbow, but I just need that.
Okay,
one.
so here is Ellie's. You
What?
guys-
She got pink.
Can you guys tell if this is glue or is it
This soap
dish soap?
looks
I have a
glue,
rainbow.
but-
I just
And
need
this
like
soap
some
look,
type of pink or
glue
something.
looks like this.
Oh.
You have glue, Elli.
Wait, so I think I'm gonna. So this is so slippery.
All right.
I get 11. I was hoping for 11.
So here is 11. All right, here you
Just
go.
then
Naiah.
mine's gonna be a rainbow.
Do you have dish soap or glue, Naiah?
I bet you I did so.
Your whole thing is gonna be dish soap.
Ooh, now I got rainbow slime.
All right, so is it dish soap or glue?
It's nice slime is soap. I have something to say. Your slime is good. Sally told it to
All
Brad.
right, I'm missing a number, so we're gonna do this last one. All right, so the last number is 12 and it's Ellie's turn. So that means that Elli gets 12 and we're missing a 4 and so Naiah gets 4. But you know how we do the last one? We do a rock, paper, scissors. So Naiah, can you take your top off from you?
Mine's a rainbow, guys.
Guys, do rock, paper, scissors to see
Wow.
if it's a switch up. All right, so Naiah, do you want to keep your 4 or do you want to take Ellie's 12?
I will take Ellie's show.
Okay, so she's taking your 12
Because I know this is glue.
and this is not Ellie's
I'm
4.
pinching myself.
Actually, no. You gotta taste it.
Ew, Ellie, no, don't taste this.
I mean-
Glue or dish soap. All right, let's squirt it. Let's see who has what.
I don't know. Glue.
So,
You have dish soap, Ellie, and Naiah has glue.
I told you.
I'm happy.
You're happy to have dish soap?
Yeah, Ellie, you're so lucky.
I have
Whole glue.
I have something to say.
Here are your spoons, ladies. Why don't you start mixing? What color do you think their final slime will be, everybody?
Well, yours is that rainbow now. Ooh, mine is. Ooh, I know. Mine is strawberry jelly.
Sour Patch flavor. Mine smells like Sour Patches. Do you see those
look at that.
bubbles?
There's bubbles in it. It's like
Mine is should be called the bubble slime.
Yes, lots of bubbles. Look, do you see that teeny bubble? up there?
Ellie,
Look.
you have
It's right next
you
to
have way
Mommy's
more
cake
glue
tray.
than I do, so you have lots of bubbles.
all right, so on the count of 3, you guys are gonna pour your slime onto the table.
Oh,
Hold on. All right, and go. Well, 3, 2, 1.
Mine's coming out easily.
Why is yours so
Look,
big?
Naiah.
And Ellie's is like,
Naiah.
I think because Naiah has more soap in hers, it's or something. It's like hers is just like spread
Can you
out.
mix it up?
No, I don't want to mix it up, please.
No, you do.
I don't.
Let's kiss.
No.
All right, so Ellie, why don't you stretch your slime so Team Ellie can get a look at your slime? You want to stretch it up in the air so we can see it really high?
Yeah. It's so hot. It's so heavy. My weeds in my quick
right, so since she's not stretching it, I'm gonna stretch it for you guys. This is what it looks like stretched. Look at that. Look at that stretch slime.
Yeah.
All right, so now let's look at Naiah. Oh, Naiah has a bubble. Let's see if Naiah can make a big bubble. All right, so this is Team Naiah right here.
Whoa!
Let me see.
I just have like a really big bubble, but like the camera wasn't on.
All right, let's see it. Whoa, guys, look at Team Naiah. Yeah, Naiah's is super stretchy. Ellie's may have too much activate or something, but Naiah's is, I mean, this is stretchy slime.
Is this better than my other slime?
The color. Oh, there's Ellie. She's proven hers is stretchy.
No, it's not.
Naiah's color is a little, it looks like split pea soup.
No, it looks like a lemonade.
This is not
Ew.
green lemonade.
That's not
I have never seen
It's sour lime flake.
No, it looks like split pea soup, but it is. Guys, does it not feel amazing? This slime. Let's poke it. Let's look at the. So here's the poking. If you want to know what the poking looks like.
Yeah.
All right, Ellie, let's do some poking on yours. Hers is like bubblegum slime. It's a thicker slime.
And she's a better color.
Naiah's is like softer. It's like almost baby slime, I want to call it. It's almost like I want to call it baby cloud slime. Or
Because
something.
it's like
It's so soft.
and the color's baby pea.
Baby threw up and his little peas. So baby threw up his peas, and there we go. But that's it, guys. Make sure to leave a comment. Let us know whose dish soap slime reigns supreme.
Slime.
Whose team you're repping, and also let us know. Also, let us know if you guys are going to be collecting some Naiah and Elli merch. The link is on the screen, and you can get our limited edition Anacorns at theanacorns.com. All right, guys.